Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penbha.
Kaseng North East Network kadai ke kanhun ke baterai na kebenta banwanra ya ke bahaka miat jong ki kenthei hakaleng ke jela jong ani kathan chate lamingi nalor ke jingtrai na kebenta ki kenthei hakani ke kenti kalas ngodai ru ban ai siam ki wei pat ki kenthei ki baterai ke ni ke ju kebenta handrei halai jong ibor bat haki wei ru ki benta ban Synniang ya ke Imlang Sahlang kumta hakalai potrek mentau nai weng ar jakat pra haka jelang si benta jong ke 16 days activism against gender based violence lapun ko Burom kerpang ru ya ki prangot ki Longkmie ki ba nakaleng kari luom khasi bajantia ha ke jelang ke baralong hapo Sahlang club ha ke ni ke singilai dan langru ke chairperson jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women ikong Thailand panbo i baralong ke kongsan ha ke ni ke jelang nalor ki weide ki balasa khat sngobha kini ki Longkmie ki balayo Burom ha ke ni ke singi ki kenthom ya ikong Anita Nongkhlau ikong Beltila Warjri nakasnong Kenchi West Castles District ikong Dream Sibon Kharkongor ibelong ke principal jong ke Dinet Manik Higher Secondary School Nongkmie ikong Aljiba Pakenten nakabalang Unitarian ke Nilima Pradhan Thapa kabalang ke Waini kinong ilam jong ke Seng Akhil Shillong Nepali Mahila Samiti nangta ikong Samanda Phanwar ibelong ke project manager jong ke Lam Jingshai ikong Sentina Lingdo Maulong bat ikong Wanbiang Phalangki nakasnong Nartiang West Jaintia Hills District.
As women, I feel that I feel proud to say that I'm a woman, and I'm very sure that our women are very strong. In spite of so many problems, in spite of so many difficulties in life, still they were able to support their family. They are able to raise the children, and I could see that. Because in the Women Commission, so many of the women have come forward and we have been able to help them. How they struggle to provide education for the children, to provide all the necessary things that they need for the daily needs. So today I take this opportunity to congratulate them and wish them all the best in their future endeavor. Whether in the workplace or in different parts of places also, women do this harassment or discrimination still exists in spite of the fact that the Constitution, treat us equally. But I would say that there is discrimination of wage differences, but also insecurity, abusive and offensive incidents that happen. Of course, most of the women are not coming forward. That's why it is difficult to take up any action. Of course, nowadays with so many programs that are being conducted by the Commission as well as by the different voluntary organizations who has been working in the field of women issues, they have encouraged women to come out, when they face any type of violence or discrimination or harassment, whatever. That is why nowadays we could see in the newspapers and the media also play a very important role in propagating the women to come out. So that is why nowadays we see that anything happens, any violence that women face, they are encouraging to come forward.